To start or stop Intel Air Content Protection XDGP service in Windows 11 Home, right-click on Start menu icon, and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu, and then select Services. Scroll down the screen, find Intel Air Content Protection XDGP. Then right-click on Intel Air Content Protection XDGP service, and then select Start to start or select Stop to stop. Intel Air Content Protection XDGP service enables communications with content protection XDGP HW. Okay, select Start to start or select Stop to stop. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.